Good morning, dosto. This is Dilip Praskar from Life Insurance Corporation of India. Is it right time to discuss with you about government pension plan? As you know, from 2004 onwards, there is no pension plan in central government and state government and social pension in private sector. So each one have must provision of pension plan because of after 58 there is a 25-year lockdown. In that period we are taking a just experience. The real estate income stop, lot of bank scams are there like PMC, CKP, Maratha Bank. Due to NPA increases, scams are increases. Mutual fund and share market is too much volatile. We can't keep lifetime hard on money in such a volatile place. So where we can invest? So LIC launched a new pension plan which have four major benefits. First major benefit is that pension is guaranteed under section 37 and IRDA in market. Due to NPAs lot of increases, lot of banks of scams are coming out. PMC, CKP Bank, Maratha Bank. Here is the section DIGC only 5 lakh is covered, but in our plan under section 37 total corpus is secured 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore unlimited secured by Government of India section 37. Second major benefit is tax save under section 80C. When we invest pension, your tax is saved. Third major benefit is that plan pension is tax free under section 1010D. In any other instruments, no tax is saved when maturity like pension is given. In real estate, when is liquidate, must be paid tax. In mutual fund, profit should pay the tax. Private company should pay the tax. Bank FD pay tax. PPF, post, etc. All instruments have to pay the tax when we get a maturity. But in our pension plan, there is a no tax. Fourth major benefit is in our pension plan is fixed rate of interest which is fixed for 100 years 8% of purchase price. सर, जगात मानवाची उत्क्रांती माकडापासून झाली तशी भारताची इम्प्लिमेंट डेव्हलपमेंट होत गेली. अमेरिकेची डेव्हलपमेंट झाली तशी भारतात सुद्धा होणार आहे. आज लोन अमेरिकेमध्ये 2% कमी आहे. FD रेट 1% कमी आहे. ही परिस्थिती आपल्या इंडियामध्ये सुद्धा होणं काही दिवसानंतर असेल. लोकांच्याकडे पैसा भरपूर असेल पण व्याजदर मिळणार नाही. रिटायरमेंट नंतर पैशाला इंटरेस्ट रेट मिळणार नाही आणि इन्कम टॅक्स लागणार आहे. सालोसाल 20 वर्षापूर्वी 30 वर्षापूर्वी ज्यांच्याकडे पैसा जास्त होता, बिझनेसमॅन, राजकारणी लोक, ते लोक स्विस बँकेमध्ये पैसे ठेवत कारण त्यांचा टॅक्स तिकडे वाचत होता. भले रिटर्न्स 1%पेक्षा कमी होते पण ते लोक टॅक्स वाचवण्यासाठी 20% टॅक्स वाचवण्यासाठी तिकडे ठेवत होते. म्हणून आज आपल्याला अशा इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये इन्व्हेस्ट करायला पाहिजे जो इन्स्टिट्यूट टॅक्स फ्री मिळेल, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फिक्स मिळेल आणि पैशाची गॅरंटी असेल. अशाच ठिकाणी इन्व्हेस्ट करायला पाहिजे. यू मे रेज पॉईंट हाऊ वी विल गेट 100 years. फॉर दॅट you may enjoy 50 years, your child can enjoy 60 years, so total you get more than 100 years. For detailed discussion, can we meet today evening or day after tomorrow morning? Thank you.